A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, the U.S. government has filed a lawsuit against Senator Jim Justice, a Republican from West Virginia, and his wife, Cathy, for over $5 million in unpaid federal income taxes, penalties, and interest dating back to the 2009 tax year. The lawsuit, initiated by the Tax Division of the Department of Justice, accuses the justices of neglecting or refusing to pay their tax obligations despite previous notifications. The total amount owed to the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, as of August 4th is reported to be $5,164,739.75. This legal action comes on the heels of the IRS filing tax liens exceeding $8 million against Justice, who previously served as the governor of West Virginia. Justice, who switched party affiliation from Democrat to Republican in 2019, has publicly claimed that the liens are politically motivated. The lawsuit highlights a federal income tax assessment of over $3 million for the 2009 tax year and another assessment for nearly $5 million for 2017. Additionally, a third assessment for the 2024 tax year amounts to nearly $11,000. The IRS's ability to pursue collection of tax liabilities typically extends up to 10 years from the date of assessment, which places Justice at a critical juncture as Tuesday marked the end of that 10-year period for the 2009 assessment. Following the lawsuit's filing, a joint motion was submitted by a lawyer representing the justices and the DOJ, requesting a consent judgment in favor of the U.S. for the owed amount. This motion indicates that the justices have agreed to resolve the matter through court order, although it remains unclear when they will fulfill this financial obligation. The consent judgment was signed by Judge Frank Volk, mandating the justices to pay the requested amount. Justice's financial troubles are not new. Forbes previously estimated his net worth at $1.9 billion, but by 2021, that figure had plummeted to approximately $513 million. Recent assessments suggest that his financial standing has deteriorated to less than zero, with liabilities surpassing assets. During a media briefing, Justice defended his business operations, stating that they are complex and that his children are managing them effectively. He reiterated claims of political motivations behind the tax collection efforts, urging the public to let the situation unfold. Justice's political career took a new turn when he was elected to the Senate in November 2024, succeeding former Senator Joe Manchin, who had transitioned to an independent status earlier that year. The senator, known for his extensive business interests, including coal and agricultural operations, has faced numerous financial challenges. In addition to the IRS liens, state tax officials recently filed $1.4 million in liens against the Justice family's historic Greenbrier Hotel and the associated Greenbrier Sporting Club over unpaid sales taxes. A foreclosure auction concerning several hundred lots owned by the Justice family was recently paused due to a dispute over unpaid fees. In 2021, the IRS had already filed liens totaling $1.1 million against the Greenbrier Hotel and an additional $80,000 against the resort's medical clinic, which were later resolved. The Justice family has previously settled debts to avoid the foreclosure of the Greenbrier Hotel, a prestigious establishment that has hosted U.S. presidents and other dignitaries. The hotel was under threat of auction due to a loan default after JPMorgan Chase sold a long-standing loan to a collection company. The West Virginia Democratic Party has criticized Justice's financial mismanagement, stating that the attempts to seize the hotel are a direct consequence of his own actions. The financial woes extend beyond taxes. A union representative indicated that the Justice family was at least $2.4 million behind in payments to an employee's health insurance fund, jeopardizing workers' coverage. In 2023, multiple properties owned by the Justice family were auctioned due to delinquent real estate taxes, and there have been ongoing disputes regarding environmental fines and unsafe working conditions at his coal mines. The Greenbrier Resort, which Justice purchased out of bankruptcy in 2009 for $20.1 million, is a historic site that offers various amenities, including a casino and spa, and employs around 2,000 workers. The resort has hosted a PGA Tour golf tournament and NFL teams for training camps, and it features a once-secret underground bunker that was built for Congress during the Cold War. As the legal proceedings unfold, the implications for Senator Jim Justice's political future and financial standing remain to be seen. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.